This is my 6th omelet that I have been working on. I use that small pan 2 or 3 times for the 2-egg omelet. I'm thinking about delegating that for like a 1-egg try. But my cast iron skillet works out pretty good. I kind of have to, when I start out, I have to move the pan handle back and forth because I got a slight angle to the stove and it's causing a little bit of heavier buildup on one side of the pan of the omelet. So I'm getting a little fussy about that, but I'll show you what happens in a minute or so here. I'm using cheddar cheese, a sliced cheddar cheese, and a whole green chili. I'll see if I can do this on camera without fumbling too bad, do the fold. I got that over, and I got the flop, and I'll let that sit in here for a minute or so. See what happens. I'm not an expert at this. A lot of people chop the parts up and throw it in the omelet mix when they first mix it up, but I find it looks a little bit too lumpy. I gotta admit that I'm a neophyte at this omelet making stuff. Well, I'll show you the finished product here in a couple seconds. I have my nice cup of coffee with cream, a little heavy on the cream, but that's me, and my omelet. I sprinkled it with Tabasco sauce, and I've got a thick slice of bacon on top I got from the market. I am grateful to God for this and every other blessing. So that's my breakfast morning here in the vintage trailer. Bon appetit! The sun has gone down and I set my solar panels out to catch the morning sunshine that's going to come from the east over that way. And it's kind of cool. You can see the different evening bands, the color spectrum on the far side of sunset. And then over towards sunset, with a camera lens on this iPhone, it's still pretty bright, but it's subdued to the naked eye. But the cloud almost looks like it's being pushed into a band by the sun itself as it's setting. It's an interesting effect. And the colors, of course, are beautiful out here in the desert. I'm enjoying my vintage trailer out on the desert. LTVA land, La Posa North, signing out.